Hello everyone, I am Shivaji Garde teaching you system in mechanical engineering. In previous lectures we have discussed about the energies, how energy is converting, then thermal power plant. In today's lecture we'll discuss about the hydroelectric power plant. In hydroelectric power plant, water from the rivers are stored by constructing dams. The water from the dam flow down through the pipes that is known as penstock and rotates the turbine of generators to produce the electricity. Right? So, in case of the hydroelectric power plant, which are the main components used in the hydroelectric power plant? So, that is reservoir, dam, thrash track, gate, forepace, surge tank, penstock, anchors, powerhouse, hydraulic turbines, draft tube, and trail race. So these are very important components used in the hydroelectric power plant. Then a large amount of water is collected during rainy season in the reservoir behind the dam. In case the rainfall is low in a particular year, the low head of the reservoir will not be able to meet the maximum load. Therefore, the present trend is to use hydroelectric power plant with steam power plant in an interconnected system. So, first one, what is reservoir in case of the hydroelectric power plant? A reservoir is provided to store water during rainy season and supplies the same in the dry season. The water from the reservoir is used to run the hydraulic turbine. Then what is the function of a dam? Dam is a structure of considerable height built across the river. Its function is to provide the working head of water for power plant and to increase the storage capacity of reservoir. This is the main function of a dam. Then what is the thrash rack? These are made up of steel bars. Thrash rack is provided to prevent entry of debris into the intakes from the dam or from the forebay. Any debris into the intake water pipe may damage the turbine runners or choke the nozzles of an impulse turbine. Then next component is the gate. Gate is provided for controlling of flow of water from the reservoir to the hydraulic turbine through the penstock. Then what is forebase? It is small water reservoir at the end of water passage from the reservoir and therefore the water is fed to the turbine to the penstock. It acts as a temporary regulating reservoir. It stores the water when the load on the plant reduces and same water is supplied to the turbine at the time of increasing load in the initial stage. It helps in the absorbing the flow variations. Next component is the surge tank. The function of surge tank is to protect the penstock due to the sudden variation of the flow or velocity of water. Then what is exactly penstock? Penstock is a pipe which carries the water from reservoir to the turbine. It is called as penstock. It is a large pipe of 1 to 2 meter in diameter made up of concrete to withstand high pressures. Then what is anchors? These are the concrete blocks to support the penstock. Then what is powerhouse? Powerhouse consists of hydraulic and electric equipments where the water energy is converted into the electrical energy. Then what is hydraulic turbine? These are used to convert the kinetic energy of water into the mechanical energy. Then draft tube. is a passage which connects the exit from the turbine runner down to the tail race water level. It supplements the action of runner of the reaction turbine by utilizing the remainder kinetic energy of water at discharge end of the runner. Then what is tail race? Tail race is a water way to lead the water discharge from the turbine to the river. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant? Advantage is flowing water is renewable source of energy. There is not causing any pollution. Then second is the electricity produced does not causes pollution. This is very important. Water stored in the dams can also be used to control the floods and for irrigation purpose. Then what is the disadvantage of this hydroelectric power plant? First one is the initial cost is high. Large area of land gets submerged and the decomposition of vegetation produces methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas. Then it causes displacement of the people from large areas of land. So these are the disadvantages of the hydroelectric power plant. So thank you. In today's lecture, we have discussed about the hydroelectric power plant. Thank you.